Hey guys! If you are looking for some quick, easy and inexpensive last-minute ideas for Valentine's Day, then just keep on watching. Okay, for a lot of decoration ideas you will need cardboard in white, pink and red, and you will also need glitter, very important, and also nail polish, cookie cutters, and a craft punch with a heart shape. Draw some heart shapes on your cardboard using your cookie cutter. Then cut your little hearts out. And then use some old nail polish and also some glitter. And then you have these pretty little hearts with glitter on the edges. And then use double-sided adhesive tape and tape your hearts to your straws that you can put in delicious drinks. And it looks so pretty, I think. And then use your craft punch and create a lot of little hearts that you can use as decoration. It's like confetti, heart-shaped confetti. And if you use your craft punch to create the heart-shaped confetti, you also create sweet letter paper at the same time. And then you can also use your hearts to create a garland. Use a thread and then you can hang your garlands somewhere. You can also create 3D hearts. You cut the hearts from the bottom or the top, and then you put them together like so. It looks pretty. And then you can create as many garlands as you want. You can hang them side by side, however you like it. And they look so pretty if they turn around and the glitter catches the light. I really like it. And then it's always a good idea to prepare a nice drink for your boyfriend, girlfriend, husband, wife, or your girlfriends who come over. And I have a quick recipe idea which gives a healthy and pinkish smoothie. So very healthy and perfect for Valentine's Day. You need coconut milk and then also low-fat milk. Use half-half, then half a banana and frozen strawberries and also some fresh strawberries. Mix it all together add a little bit of stevia or sugar or honey. You can also add some ground fresh vanilla. Then mix it all together. Mix, mix. Look at the color, so pretty, perfect for Valentine's Day. This is so good, so yummy and delicious and guilt-free. It only has about 50 calories per small glass, and it's so delicious. So a perfect drink. Cheers! Happy Valentine's Day! And then for another quick and inexpensive decoration idea, you just need some napkins and aluminum foil. Then cut the aluminum foil into pieces which match the size of the paper napkins, and you fold the folded napkins into half, and then you make cuts like so. And another cut. Unfold it and then twist the pieces. Like so. Do the same with the red napkins. You could also add some pink napkins, however you like it. Again, cut and unfold. You need pieces like this, and then you twist the pieces. And then you can hang the little pom-poms on a ribbon. Then you can add your hearts, cardboard hearts, and hot glue them on top. And then you can even write something on your little hearts, like I love you or Happy Valentine's Day, whatever. And it looks like this, a nice decoration for like only a couple of dollars. Looks so cute. And then for another pretty Valentine's Day decoration idea, you just need a glass bottle, some branches, then cardboard, paper, hearts, and you can make little 3D hearts again, like I showed you before. And then you can hang them on the branches. It looks very cute, and you can also write some little messages and put them in the glass bottle. I'll show you that later. And here you can see the little hearts. It looks very fresh and spring-like. You can also add paper streamer to your glass bottle and also some little confetti hearts and little messages, love messages, nice words, and also some fairy lights if you like to. And then you have this very pretty and cute light object. Another nice idea for Valentine's Day is to bake some Valentine's Day cookies. I love this special cookie cutter, so you can attach the heart on the rim of your cup. Use your favorite recipe for cookies and then create some icing using icing sugar and lemon juice, and add some food coloring. I used red and I created 3 colors. The first is the usual icing. The second one has a lot of red food coloring, and in my third cup I only used a little bit, a hint of red food coloring. So I created a pale pink color, and then you can really play around with all the colors and create an ombre effect. And yes, you can see what I did. You can also add some little hearts, sugar hearts, and yes, everything looks very pretty and festive and Valentine's Day like. And then you can also create nice Valentine's Day hot drinks for your loved ones. Here I created a delicious cherry coffee mocha with chocolate and cherry juice. And here you also can see the heart-shaped cookie, the ombre cookie, which you can attach to the rim of your glass. I really like that. And another quick idea for Valentine's Day is to create pink heart muffins, which are so cute. Use your favorite recipe for muffins, or if you are really in a hurry, buy some good chocolate muffins and just create the strawberry frosting. Use butter and cream cheese, sugar, icing sugar, and of course strawberries. Add some ground vanilla and a drop of food coloring, maybe natural food coloring. Cut off the top of your muffin, then use a heart-shaped cookie cutter for the top part, and then put the strawberry cheese cream frosting on the lower part of the muffin at the top, and you have a cute pink heart chocolate muffin, which was delicious. And for my last Valentine's Day decoration or gift idea, you need some glitter, you need an empty mason jar, some Mod Podge, paper, and some little confetti hearts, and a tea light. First cut out a paper heart, then attach it to the mason jar. Use some Mod Podge for the lower part and then sprinkle some red glitter on top. We want to create an ombre effect, so another layer of Mod Podge. Use pink glitter and then put Mod Podge on the top part of the mason jar and add some silver glitter. And I only did this method on one half of the glass because on the other half I want to do something else. Here I'm only using silver glitter and I'm adding some little confetti hearts, and this looks so pretty as well, especially if you have a candle inside of the mason jar. Everything glitters and sparkles and shines. It's very beautiful and a nice little gift for somebody you love. And yes, that's all I've got for you today. I hope this video could give you any inspiration or ideas, or it was just fun watching. So please give it a thumbs up if you could get any inspiration out of this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!